how are you? How are you doing? My name is Fred Jamal, and I'm here to tell you that we have no time. We are still trying to have 24 hours a day, but the day still ends when we don't have time to do all our activities. We don't have time to do our assignments, we don't have time to play our games, to watch movies, and the reason is that we are not trying to utilize our time, as in we have many activities to do, but it's up to us to make up the most of our time. An example I can give you is that I still try to do my assignments, still try to play some games, still try to watch some movies, but all in all, I'm still failing to pick a time to do all the things, and also have to sleep to prepare for tomorrow. But and a recommendation I can give is that the simplest way to utilize our time is to make a list of activities and make each time for each activity so that we can go ticking every activity as to how it was done and then move on to the next one. So, if people can still understand that there is no time, as in that's when they'll understand the true meaning of time management, or as people like to say, time is money. So another thing, this will help us to be reliable, as in if your boss at work or if your supervisor knows that you try to utilize your time, he or she will always rely on you to give you activities and other things to do. And it can also help us in our daily activities at school and also at home. So, if you have had anything you didn't hear before, this is the time. This is the time, and yeah, it will help you in your future case, or you can even tell it to someone else. Thank you.